Shabbat Shalom. In this week's parasha, Parashat Pinhas, we meet the daughters of Tzlofrad. They approach Moshe and Elazar, the elders, and the whole of the people, and they tell them that we also want a possession in the country of Israel, although we have no brother, and our father didn't have a son, but still we think and we believe that this is the truth. We should also have a possession in Eretz Israel. And Moshe brings it in front of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and the result is that we get all the halachot of heritage, who is the heir and who is the son or the daughter, as a result of their approaching Moshe and saying what they want to say. And this is one of the characteristics of Sefer Bamidbar. We find many places where the people, they come and say, we want it in this way. Let's take, for example, Pesach. When Moshe comes and says that they should bring the sacrifice of Pesach, then they come and say, yes, but some of us are unclean, and we also want a portion, a part of the sacrifice. And then, as a result of that, we get the laws of Pesach Sheni. We have in the end of the book, when the two tribes come and say that we want to stay on the eastern bank of the Jordan River and to live here. And Moshe thinks, and he gives them an answer. And again we find this interesting characteristic of this book. And I would like to say that perhaps the reason is that in the Sefer Bamidbar we are on the way. Just as a person is on his way, and when he's on his way in the age of 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, when he's on his way, he changes. He's looking for his own identity. He tries to get away from his parents, things that we all know. And that very often comes together with a crisis. And so also we find in this book, on the one hand, crises like Chet HaMeraglim, the sin of the spies, and when they want to eat meat and many other things. And on the other hand, we see how they try to find their own identity again and again by having the ability to come in front of Moshe and say, perhaps it could be in another way. And we find, for example, my friend, our Rosh Yeshivat, Rav Yehuda Gilad, he uses to point out that if we in the Sefer Shmot, we hear, Az Yashir Moshe Uvnei Israel Ashir Azot, now Moshe and the people of Israel, they sing this song, and then we come the song of the Red Sea. Here we hear in one place in Sefer Bamidbar, Az Yashir Israel. Then Israel, the people of Israel, they sing. And we don't hear anything about Moshe. And perhaps this is the way to show, in a very complicated way, how the people of Israel sort of become grown up. They get independent with their own will. And when we come to the land of Israel, actually Moshe is not there any longer. There will be a new leader. But now the people, they have their own identity. And therefore, again, if we come back to our parasha, the parasha of Bnot Tzlofrad is very typical for this book. They have their names, they have their identity, and in that way they turn to Moshe, they get their answer, and they get the answer they want to get. Kein dovrot Bnot Tzlofrad. HaKadosh Baruch Hu says they are right, it's correct what they say, what they ask for. But I would like to end with the question, and what would happen if they didn't ask? Wouldn't we get then the laws of heritage in the way that we got them? That's an interesting question. Shabbat Shalom.